What's going on, guys? It's me, Linsay, with LinsayMoore.com. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make $1,000 from YouTube. And this will work if you have a small YouTube channel or you're brand new to YouTube. Just follow the information I'm going to be sharing with you in this training and just remain consistent with it. And you can see results within your next 30 to 60 days if you do the work, okay? So before I get into today's training, make sure you go below this video, subscribe to this channel. Also hit that notification bell so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. And then also stay to the end of the training because I have a free gift that I want to give you. So make sure you stay to the end so you can get access to that free gift. And let's go ahead and get started with the training. Bloop. Okay, so in this training, I'm just going to shoot this one off. Usually I kind of have these things kind of pre-planned, but I just want to just go through it in like one kick, if that makes sense, and show you how to do this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find out what niche you want to be in. Do not overthink this. If you're watching this right now, more than likely you're trying to figure out how to make money online or something like that, or you're interested in internet marketing, because that's mostly what I do, is how to make money online, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, right? So the most popular niches you want to go after are health and wellness, anything relationships or wealth, right? Make money online or whatever. Now there's a lot of other niches you can get into. And I was thinking if I should show you, like, guys, how to search like for different niches. But like I said, if you're watching this channel, more than likely you probably are trying to find a way just to make money online. You're just trying to find a way to make money to increase your income. So I'm just going to tell you the top 3 niches that you should consider being in. Like I said, health and wellness, relationships, and wealth. Those are the ones you want to focus on. So I'm not going to confuse you by showing you how you can find a gazillion niches, because I used to do that for e-commerce training, and people will get highly confused. They'll get even more, they'll procrastinate more because they see like 150 niches, 300 niches, or whatever else, and they get lost on where they should start. So I'm just telling you, start with one of those 3, okay? So now that you have done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to find and make sure that there are products available for those niches, okay? Now the reason why I chose those niches is because even if you were to go onto Facebook, right? If you were to go onto Facebook and let's say you do make money online, and if you go to like groups, you can see that this particular niche, it has a lot of people who are wanting to know about make money online or how to make money online and everything else. So like one group is 47,000 members, 29,000, 8.7, 22,000 members, 18K. You see like the numbers right here, right? So that means, and this is just make money online. I haven't gotten into affiliate marketing groups and internet marketing groups or whatever. So clearly there's an abundance of people who are wanting to know about this subject, right? And it's the same thing with health, or let's do like lose weight. So that like there's different niches inside of like health and wellness. Losing weight is one of them. But look how you have here. We have, okay, let's not target lose weight. Let's do weight loss. Let's see if that comes up. Ew, those are some ugly numbers. Let's try this again. We'll do health. Okay, so we have health and wellness, 36,000, 5.1K members, 21K, 13K. You see 76,000 members, right? So you see that there's an abundance of people that you can actually promote to when it comes to like health and wellness as well. And again, this is just some of the groups. There are millions of groups on Facebook, and all you have to do is just do like some searches or whatever else for some keywords, and you can find audience of people that you can talk to, right? So we understand that these are some large niches that we can talk of people that we can talk to, right? Who are more than likely purchase products, right? The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you can find products to promote. You want to find at least 3 to 4 products that you could promote in that niche. I always talk about like Clickbank. So I'm going to show you another option too. But you can go to clickbank.com. And like I said, if you're like doing like health and wellness or something like that, you could definitely come over to here to Clickbank. You create a free account. And what you would do is you click on the health and fitness tab. And you will find at least 3 to 4 products, good products, that you can promote to this niche of people, right? So you have Surf Strength Core Coach. I guess it's for getting strength for like surfing or something like that. You have like this is a shake, a weight loss shake or something like that. A protein shake, I don't know. The paleo restart. So, you know, you have different things that you can offer to that list, to the niche of people. Now, if you are in internet marketing or make money from home, you can look at Clickbank products, but I also suggest that you go to jvzoo.com. Excuse me. I'm still getting over a cold. But they have jvzoo.com. You can come over here and pick products over here. So I'm gonna do a quick login so I can show you guys what the tea is. Now, once we are in the back office, what you want to do is you want to click over here where it says affiliates, and then you want to click on find products. Okay, so you can start here. You can go to the recent bestsellers list. You can come over here, see what the top sellers are, click on affiliate details, and from here you can click on the sales page, see what the product is, see if it's something that you would want to promote. And sorry, my internet is moving slow, but see if it's something that you will want to promote. And a good way to know if it's a product that you want to promote is if you look at it, if you look at the video, you look at the sales copy, and it's something that you would probably buy, then why not go for it, right? So that's one way you can do it. Also, you can do warriorplus.com. And they have a variety of products on here for the make money online niche. These are going to be more like lower ticket products, like the front end products. And you can get products, you can find products on here to promote to your list that cost anywhere from like $2 to like maybe $15 on the front end, like the very first product somebody will see. And then they have additional products on the back end. So once somebody buys that initial product, then they will be presented other offers before they get access to the one that they initially purchased. And it's the same thing with JVZoo, right? So that's the easy way that you can possibly earn a few $100s per day, because you may just only promote a product that's like $12, you know, on the front end. That front end product is only $12. But if they buy the additional products in that funnel, then that could probably turn it from like a $12 sale into a $100 sale easily, right? And like I said, again, it's the same thing with JVZoo pretty much, right? But these are the sites that I would go to find products that I would promote to people inside of my niche, to make money online internet marketing niche, right? So once you have that in place, you should make sure to cover everything. The next thing you want to do is create your YouTube channel, right? If you have a Gmail account, you already have a YouTube account, pretty much, because they're owned by Google, right? And then what you do is come over to YouTube, and you want to find viral videos inside of your niche. Now you want to come over here to youtube.com. Now once you are over here, what you want to do is you want to find viral videos inside of your niche, right? So if you want to do that, let's do Alex Becker. So we'll go over to Alex Becker's channel. We'll click on the video tab, and we're going to sort by most popular. Now once we have done that, we want to see what his most popular videos are, right? So right here, this video has over 894K views, and it's how to make $1,000 a day at 15 years old. Then we see another one here, $200 a day at 15 years old. How to make $200 a day as a 15-year-old if you're broke. And you see like some of his top videos right here. So what you would do is you would create content similar to this. The reason why you want to do that is because these are terms that people are looking for. These are terms people are already searching for. So that way you have more of a likely chance to show up higher in the news feed, and then also, not the news feed, higher in the search engine on YouTube. But then also, you have more people looking at your content. If you're just making random videos out the blue that people aren't searching for, then guess what? Nobody's going to watch your videos. You probably want to get like 2 views or something like that. Something really crazy, right? This is what you want to do. But also, you want to make sure that you're doing this consistently, right? So if you only do one of these videos and then you wait 9.5 weeks and then you do another video, it's not going to work, right? So I will start off with like maybe like 10 videos. Go ahead and get 10 topics. Watch some of these videos, and you can do this for several other make money online channels, or like I said, if you're choosing health and wellness, go look at health and wellness type videos or whatever else. Find some viral videos that has a lot of views and make similar content. Do not copy word for word, but make similar content and make your thumbnails kind of similar to theirs as well, right? That's what you want to do. And then when you make your video, underneath the video in the description below, have a link to the actual product that you're promoting from like Warrior Plus or JV Zoo or something like that. So if you guys can come over here, if you come over here to my channel and click on videos,
hey, what's going on, guys?
You can kind of see what I'm doing here, right? You see how Alex Becker was doing his videos? You see how I have my thumbnails created similar to that, right? So when you make your video content, make your videos, and then you want to make sure that you have a link to whatever product or service that you are promoting right here. That's how you do it, right? And yeah, there's additional steps that you can take in order to generate more sales or whatever else. But to kind of keep this very, very simple and to the point, this is how you can get started. And this is how you can earn $1,000, you know, your first $1,000 with YouTube, right? And to only make $1,000 in 1 month, that means you have to make $33 per day. That is it. So if you made, if you got on here and sold like maybe 1 or 2 products from like JV Zoo or Clickbank, or maybe even 1 product and earn that commission, you can have your $1,000 in a month. All you need to do is make a sale of $333. I mean, not 300, but $33 per day. That is it. That's how you make your $1,000 with YouTube. And like I said, you can do that in, you know, your first 30 days. Some people, they may take a little bit longer just because they just move a little bit slower, which is fine. But just keep taking action, right? And just think, if you keep doing this every single day, those numbers are going to continue to snowball because now you have content that is out here, right? So even though you made a video, you know, 2 months ago, somebody can watch it, you know, 6 months down the road, get some value from it and buy it, right? That's how you start waking up to sales, because you have content out here while you're sleeping, while you're traveling or something like that. Somebody could be watching your YouTube video, getting some value, and purchase a product that you have promoted. That's what I love so much about YouTube, because you can create a piece of content and it's always going to be working for you 24/7, no matter what. Even if you're sick, whatever the case may be, videos will always work for you. That's why I love YouTube so much. And that's why I tell people it's like one of the best ways to generate some income online. And then also, it's great for branding and for people to build that relationship, build rapport with you, and to create trust with you is through video, right? Because they see your personality, they see how you talk. They the more and more they see you, the more and more they trust you, right? So that's why you want to make sure that you do videos. And it's just that simple, guys, right? That's all you need to do in order to earn your first $1,000 with YouTube. Find a niche, right? Like I said, use one of the ones I talked about is health and wellness, relationships, or wealth, right? Choose one of those niches. Find at least 3 or 4 products that you can promote. If they have affiliate links, just make sure you request to get the affiliate links. And then find content, find viral content on YouTube. Create similar content, create a similar headline, and put the link to whatever it is you're promoting underneath the video. That's it. That's all you have to do. That's simple enough, guys, right? So if you have any questions, make sure you comment below. And also to get access to your free gift, I'm going to give away I'm not giving away. Right now, I'm giving away a free 14-day trial to be a part of Digital Rockstar Profits. Now, this is going to be my private coaching group. So if you watch this video and you want to get more help with this, you need more explanation, you need somebody to help you to walk through it, this is the time where you can do it. This is my private coaching program. This is going to be the only way people can actually work with me. I've done like high ticket coaching and all this type of stuff. But instead of just having so many coaching programs and being stretched all over the place, I'm going to focus all my efforts into this one coaching mastermind group. So anything you have questions on about internet marketing, how to make money online, YouTube videos, network marketing, anything you could think of, you're going to get access. You're going to find it all inside of this group, and you're going to get help from me personally, in addition to bi-weekly live training calls, okay? So to get access to that free 14-day trial underneath this video, click on that link right there. It's going to be the first link that you're going to see underneath the video. And that's how you're going to find out more details about the coaching mastermind and how you get access to your free 14-day trial, okay? So go ahead, take action on that. Also hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that way you can do more, get notified when I do more videos like this onto YouTube. And again, guys, take advantage of that free 14-day trial. And I see you guys on the next one. Peace.